We just got our drone. We're testing it out. Let's see what it does. Are y'all excited? Here he goes. Are you gonna go up with it? Are you gonna land it now? Here he goes. Landing.
Daddy, can I have it? Can I have it? Daddy, can I
Oh my gosh, Chris, what are you doing going over there? What do you think, Lily?
This is the gimbal. Y'all want to take
You want to turn, Peyton, he said?
Oh, Peyton, you can't do that.
Me too.
You can see over the whole campground. There's our camper. I'm gonna wave. Let's see if it'll catch me. This is so neat. Did you just run into it?
Almost.
Super cool. How far up can it go?
Legally 400 feet.
Okay, what's it at now? It's pretty windy. See the tree over here? Oh gosh. It's doing good though.
The video is way up there.
Let me see.
Pretty steady, ain't it?
Super steady. You want to try to land it in my hand? You see yourself, Peyton?
Right, y'all ready?
Yeah, let's go. Fixing to practice flying the drone. Saw this guy out here. Can't really see him. He's looking at us. Like to. Was that thing? Did you hear him? There he goes. There he goes. Oh my gosh, it's watching it. Look at it. He's gonna take off running, watch. There he goes. Bring it back. We can't see it anymore.
There's one out there that could.
That ravine? Ascending.
Oh my.
350 almost.
328. Now it's coming back home.
Oh wow. Strong
Strong
wind
wind.
warning.
Lower altitude immediately.
Show me. There's your chair. Where's your chair, Peyton?
Right there. Y'all all have a seat. Yeah.
Take off. What are you gonna do with it now?
I don't know. You want to do a quick shot?
Yeah.
Of us sitting down here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just don't.
Oh, we're fixing to take a what kind of shot?
Quick shot.
Quick shot. And it's focused in on
Okay, here we
us.
go.
Daddy, come here.
Keep it flat, Lily.
What is your first impression of your drone?
Look, he looks at you. He's really looking at you.
What's lava?
That's the lava on the obstacle course. That's it. Watch this. My lava monster.
Oh, lava monster. What are you fixing to do with it? Are you gonna target the camper and make it circle it?
And let's do a circle. And let's do
That's what you
a block around that. Yep, let's start.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
Oh man, somebody's coming out.
Who's coming out of the camper? Lily! There's our truck. And the other side.
Could be like the intro to the review.
Awesome. Hey, Lily. What's this called?
Helix.
Okay.
fine. I guess you can't do.
He fits right into the family, doesn't he?
What?
Somebody is spying on me at the playground.
Daddy's spying on you with his drone.
He is. Look, there he goes. Bye, Droney. We don't have a name for him yet. What do y'all think? What should we name it?
If you'd like to follow us on our journey, please subscribe.